Welcome to your guide for navigating the world of cryptocurrency investing in 2025. This space can seem complex, but with the right approach, it's accessible. We're here to help you build a solid foundation. Our focus today is on establishing a disciplined, long-term investment strategy. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about building wealth steadily over time. Patience and consistency are your greatest allies. It's crucial to steer clear of the hype cycles and outright scams that unfortunately exist in this market. We'll discuss how to identify red flags and protect yourself from common pitfalls. Your security and financial well-being are paramount. Despite the volatility, crypto is still a viable and potentially rewarding investment class in 2025. It offers exposure to groundbreaking technology and a new financial paradigm. Understanding its place in a diversified portfolio is key. The landscape is continuously evolving. We've seen significant developments like the approval of Bitcoin ETFs, ongoing upgrades to networks like Ethereum, and increasing regulatory clarity in many regions. These changes are shaping the market. This evolution presents opportunities to participate in a new financial system being built on decentralized technology. It's a chance to own a piece of the future infrastructure of finance and the internet. Approach it with an open mind. Remember, this is a high-risk, high-reward environment. This means discipline and a well-defined strategy aren't just helpful, they are absolutely essential for success. Emotional decisions can be costly here. The good news is that the space is maturing significantly. It's moving beyond its early, Wild West days and is attracting serious institutional interest and talent. This isn't just gambling anymore, it's a developing asset class. When you begin, it's wise to start small with your investments. Don't feel pressured to commit large sums of money right away. Get comfortable with the process and the technology first. A common guideline is the 1 to 5% rule. This suggests investing only 1 to 5% of your total investment portfolio into cryptocurrencies. This helps manage risk and ensures you're only using capital you can truly afford to lose. Understanding your investor profile is vital. For most beginners, especially those focused on long-term growth, a strategy centered around holding assets for years is highly recommended. This is often called hodling. Avoid common beginner mistakes at all costs. These include chasing coins purely based on hype, panic selling during market downturns, and falling victim to scams. Emotional control is critical in volatile markets. Hype can lead you into risky, unproven projects. Panic selling locks in losses that could have recovered over time. Scams can wipe out your investment entirely. Stay grounded and skeptical. Your mindset should be one of long-term conviction and patience. Treat your crypto investments like a retirement fund, not a lottery ticket. Focus on the underlying technology and its potential impact. Educate yourself continuously. The more you understand about the projects you invest in and the market dynamics, the better equipped you will be to make rational decisions and avoid impulsive actions. Starting small allows you to learn the ropes without putting significant capital at risk. As you gain experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your allocation, always staying within your comfort zone and risk tolerance. For beginners, it's highly advisable to begin with established blue-chip cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the two largest and most well-known, with the longest track records and largest ecosystems. They form a solid starting point. Bitcoin is often seen as digital gold, a store of value. Ethereum powers a vast ecosystem of decentralized applications, NFTs, and decentralized finance, DeFi. Understanding their fundamental differences is important. Once you are comfortable with Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can gradually explore altcoins. These are cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. Look for altcoins with solid, real-world use cases and strong potential for adoption. Thorough research is non-negotiable before investing in any altcoin. You need to understand the project's use case, the team behind it, its tokenomics, how the coin is distributed and used, and the strength of its community. A clear use case means the project solves a real problem or provides a valuable service. A strong team has relevant experience and a track record. Good tokenomics ensure the coin's value is tied to the network's success. Be extremely wary of coins with vague white papers or anonymous teams. A white paper should clearly explain the technology and goals. An anonymous team makes accountability and trust difficult. These are significant red flags. Spotting quality projects requires looking beyond price charts. Look for active development on platforms like GitHub, clear communication from the team, and genuine community engagement that isn't just focused on price speculation. Consider projects that are building infrastructure, enabling new technologies, or disrupting existing industries. These often have a higher likelihood of long-term success compared to meme coins or projects with no clear purpose. One of the most effective strategies for beginners is dollar cost averaging, or DCA. This involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the asset's price. It's a powerful tool. DCA helps mitigate the risk associated with market timing. You avoid the pressure of trying to buy at the absolute bottom. It also removes emotion from the investment process, promoting discipline. Commit to investing consistently over time. Whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, stick to your schedule. This strategy is particularly effective during market dips, as you buy more coins when prices are lower. Building a diversified portfolio blueprint is crucial. A common approach is to have a core holding of Bitcoin and Ethereum, for example, 60 to 80%, a portion in established altcoins with strong use cases, for example, 10 to 30%, and a small, speculative allocation for higher risk projects, for example, 0 to 10%. Diversification helps spread risk. If one asset performs poorly, others in your portfolio might perform well, balancing out returns. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Have a clear plan for when to buy. DCA provides a consistent buying schedule. Additionally, identify potential buy zones during significant market pullbacks or dips. These can be opportunities to add to your positions at lower prices. However, stick to your DCA schedule even outside of dips. The goal is consistent accumulation over time, smoothing out your average purchase price. Don't try to time every dip perfectly. Equally important is having a plan for when to sell. This doesn't mean selling everything, but rather taking profits in tranches as your investments grow significantly. This allows you to lock in gains and reduce risk. For example, you might decide to sell 10% of a position if it doubles in value, or sell a portion when it reaches a specific price target. Reinvesting some profits or securing them in stable assets can be part of this plan. Selling in tranches prevents the regret of selling too early or holding through a significant price drop. It's a balanced approach to capturing gains while maintaining exposure to future growth. Prioritizing secure storage for your cryptocurrency is absolutely non-negotiable. Unlike traditional finance, you are your own bank. Losing access to your crypto means losing your investment. For initial purchases, use reputable and regulated exchanges. Platforms like Coinbase, Kraken, and Binance, depending on your region and regulations, offer user-friendly interfaces and comply with financial regulations, providing a layer of trust and security for onboarding. However, exchanges are not ideal for long-term storage of significant amounts of crypto. They are centralized targets for hackers. The saying in crypto is not your keys, not your crypto. For long-term or larger holdings, use hardware wallets. Devices like Ledger and Trezor store your private keys offline, making them highly resistant to online hacking attempts. This is considered the gold standard for crypto security. When setting up a hardware wallet or any non-custodial wallet, you will receive a seed phrase, typically a list of 12 or 24 words. This phrase is the master key to your crypto. Protect it diligently. Never share your seed phrase with anyone, ever, for any reason. Do not store it digitally, on your computer, phone, or cloud. Write it down on paper and store it securely offline in multiple safe locations. Be highly wary of scams, which are rampant in the crypto space. These include fake support accounts asking for your seed phrase, phishing emails or websites designed to steal your login details, and unsolicited offers promising guaranteed returns. Scammers are sophisticated and constantly evolving their tactics. Be skeptical of anything that sounds too good to be true or creates a sense of urgency. Legitimate projects and support will never ask for your private keys or seed phrase. Always verify information from official sources. Double-check website URLs before entering any information or connecting your wallet. Bookmark legitimate sites and use strong, unique passwords and two-factor authentication, 2FA, on all accounts. Assume everything is a potential scam until proven otherwise. This level of caution is necessary to protect your assets in a decentralized environment where there's no central authority to recover lost funds. Regularly review your security practices. Stay informed about new scam techniques. Your vigilance is the first and most important line of defense against losing your crypto. To navigate the crypto market effectively, you'll need to utilize essential tools. These include the exchanges where you buy and sell, the wallets where you store your assets, and portfolio trackers to monitor your investments. Exchanges like Coinbase or Kraken are your gateway to acquiring crypto with fiat currency. Wallets, whether software or hardware, are where you take custody of your assets. Choose wallets based on the cryptocurrencies you hold and your security needs. Portfolio trackers like CoinStats or CoinGecko allow you to track the performance of your various crypto holdings in one place. They can sync with exchanges and wallets, providing a clear overview of your portfolio's value and growth. These tools help you stay organized, monitor market movements, and make informed decisions based on your overall portfolio performance, rather than just focusing on individual assets. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, commit to continuous learning. The crypto space is incredibly dynamic, with new technologies, projects, and market trends emerging constantly. What was true yesterday might not be true tomorrow. Maintain a curious mindset. Read white papers, follow reputable crypto news sources, listen to podcasts, and engage with knowledgeable communities. Understand the technology, the market forces, and the regulatory landscape. Your education is an ongoing investment in your success as a crypto investor. The more you learn, the better equipped you will be to identify opportunities, avoid risks, and adapt your strategy as the market evolves. Approach crypto investing with patience, discipline, and a commitment to security and learning. By following these principles, you can build a solid foundation for participating in this exciting and potentially transformative asset class in 2025 and beyond.